Hello friends, welcome to our channel Civil PSC Helper. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe. This video mainly consists of 15 previous questions from Kerala PSC Overseer Examinations. So, let's get started. First question. The platform at the end of a series of steps is known as option A platform, option B relief, option C rest, option D landing. The platform at the end of a series of steps is known as landing. Option D is correct. Second question. An arch constructed with finely dressed stones is known as option A ashlar arch, option B rubble arch, option C gauged arch, option D axed arch. So, the arch which is constructed with finely dressed stones is known as ashlar arch. Option A is correct. Third question. Imaginary lines passing through points having equal magnetic declination is termed as option A isogonic lines, option B agonic lines, option C isoclinic lines, option D all the above. The imaginary lines passing through points having equal magnetic declination is termed as isogonic lines. Option A is correct. Fourth question. The latitude of any transverse line is obtained by multiplying its length by option A tangent of its reduced bearing, option B sine of its reduced bearing, option C cosine of its reduced bearing, option D cosecant of its reduced bearing. The latitude of any transverse line is obtained by multiplying its length by cosine of its reduced bearing. Option C is correct. Fifth question. If angular measurements of a traverse are more precise than its linear measurements, balancing of the traverse is done by option A Bowditch's rule, option B transit rule, option C empirical rule, option D all the above. So, if the angular measurements of a traverse are more precise than its linear measurements, the balancing of the traverse is done by transit rule. Option B is correct. Sixth question. For indirect ranging, the number of ranging rod required is option A 1, option B 2, option C 3, option D 4. So, for indirect ranging, the number of ranging rod required is 4. Option D is correct. Seventh question. Pantograph is used for option A measuring the distance, option B measuring the areas, option C enlarging or reducing plan, option D setting out right angles. The pantograph is used for enlarging or reducing plans. Option C is correct. Eighth question. The curve composed of two arcs of different radii having their centers on the opposite side of the curve is known as? Option A simple curve, option B a compound curve, option C a reverse curve, option D a vertical curve. So, the curve composed of two arcs of different radii having their centers on the opposite side of the curve is known as a reverse curve. Option C is correct. Ninth question. When the length of any chord of a curve is less than peg interval, it is known as? Option A small chord, option B subchord, option C normal chord, option D short chord. When the length of any chord of a curve is less than the peg interval, it is known as subchord. Option B is correct. Tenth question. An arch may be failed due to option A uneven settlement of abutments, option B sliding of vouziers, option C crushing of the material, option D all the above. An arch may be failed due to all the above. That is, an arch may be failed due to uneven settlement of abutments, sliding of vouziers and crushing of the material. So, option D is correct. 11th question. The vertical side member of a shutter frame is known as? Option A stile, option B reveal, option C post, option D mullion. The vertical side member of a shutter frame is known as stile. Option A is correct. 12th question. The vertical faces of a door opening which support the frame of the door are? Option A jambs, option B post, option C reveal, option D stile. The vertical face of a door opening which support frame of the door are known as jambs. Option A is correct. 13th question. Inert material of a concrete mix is? Option A water, option B cement, option C aggregate, option D none of this. The inert material of a concrete mix is aggregate. Option C is correct. 14th question. Raising of outer edge of roads with respect to inner edge is known as? Option A super elevation, option B cant, option C banking, option D all the above. The raising of outer edge of a road with respect to inner edge is known as super elevation or cant or banking. So, the answer is all the above. The super elevation is also known as cant and banking. So here, the raising of outer edge of road with respect to inner edge is known as super elevation or cant or banking. That's all. Option D is correct. 15th question. Widening of roads on curves in hilly region is done. Option A on the outer side, option B on the inner side, option C on the outer and inner sides equally, option D on outer side less or on inner side more. So the widening of roads on curves in hilly region is done on the inner side. Option B is correct. So, thank you for watching this video. This video mainly consists of 15 previous questions, and if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and if you are not subscribed yet, please do subscribe. And also, if you like this video, share with your friends too. That's all. Thank you.